In previous versions, bringing decals into the scene, on top of mirrored objects, would not always work as expected. As long as you would insert them on top of the original mesh geometry, you would be fine. But if inserted, on top of the mirrored part, the decal wouldn't have been applied properly. As a result, the material wouldn't have been matched, the decal wouldn't have been parented, and the normal transfer would not have been set up. Now, all of this works as you'd expect, because DECALmachine considers the so-called evaluated mesh now. Understand, however, that if you insert decals on top of objects mirrored across other objects, you should in most cases stick to the original part of the object. If instead, you insert the decal on top of the mirrored instance, it will seem fine at first, but the decal will still be parented to the original object. This becomes obvious, once you move the original, and the decal doesn't follow the instance, as you'd hope. So, instead just insert the decal on the original part, and mirror it in the same way as the parent. Also previously, DECALmachine would, whenever you insert a decal, always set up the snapping in a way that allows you to move it around on the surface by holding down the Control key. But as a consequence, any existing snap settings you may have configured would be changed. I'm changing snapping to vertex here, so you can watch it change back to face, as soon as I bring in a decal. There it is. Personally, I find this to be extremely useful. However, as of version 1.9, you can turn off this behavior in the main DECALmachine panel, if you want. The vertex snapping will now remain in effect, and so you can't easily snap decals to the surface polygons anymore.